Unlock the secret to planning ahead. Reserve in advance, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're uncovering the meaning and usage of a very common phrase, reserve in advance. Whether you're booking a hotel, planning a trip, or scheduling an appointment, this phrase is your key to ensuring you don't miss out. So, let's get started and explore how mastering this phrase can make your planning smoother and your experiences more enjoyable. At its core, reserve in advance means to book, secure, or arrange something ahead of time rather than waiting until the last minute. This could apply to a wide range of scenarios, from making dinner reservations at a restaurant to booking flights for a vacation. When you reserve something in advance, you're ensuring that it's available for you at a future date, preventing any disappointment or inconvenience that might come from it being unavailable. Reserving in advance is crucial for several reasons. Guarantees availability, especially for popular destinations or services. Booking ahead ensures you get what you want before it's all taken. Saves money. Often, early reservations come with discounts or lower prices than last-minute bookings. Reduces stress. Knowing your plans are confirmed well in advance can significantly lower anxiety related to travel or events. Allows better planning. With the main elements of your trip or activity secured, you can focus on the finer details, making for a smoother experience. Let's look at some practical examples of how to use this phrase. We need to reserve our hotel room in advance to get the early bird discount. It's a popular restaurant, so I'll reserve a table in advance. During peak travel season, it's wise to reserve your flights in advance to avoid overbooked situations. Understanding how to incorporate reserve in advance into your planning and conversations will help you communicate your intentions clearly and efficiently. And there you have it, folks. Understanding and using the phrase, reserve in advance, is a simple yet powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Whether you're a traveler, a planner, or someone who just loves to be prepared, this phrase will help you navigate your way through bookings and reservations seamlessly. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and usage of reserve in advance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language tips. Happy planning, and see you in our next video.